Hi guys, how are you? This is Sushant. Welcome to the Sushant method. So this is the part 2 of my series, the basic WordPress preparation. Getting started with WordPress, a beginner's web development guide part 2. So in my previous video, I discussed about how to find the new domain, what are the basic preparation for the website development for in WordPress platform, and how to find the best hosting package for WordPress. And I recommended to go through the GoDaddy website. I hope you have seen my video. If you haven't, you can still go to my channel and check my first video before you go to the part 2, and I will be sharing the link in the description. So let's start with the part 2 today. And if you have any question, put that in the comment box after this video. Okay, guys? So let's start. I share my screen and I would walk you through the today's agenda. Okay, to, to the Sushant method. Welcome to the Sushant method. So as I said, today's topic is getting started with WordPress, a beginner's web development guide part 2. And this is my logo as we discussed last time, the Hanso Imports Private Limited. Uh, okay, so today's agenda is I will walk you through one by one and we can discuss how it is, okay, what it means and what it should be done. So connect to the WordPress dashboard. So we'll start with once you have received the email after you purchase the hosting. So in last video we discussed it takes about 48 hours, like it is 2 days for account to set up. And once your account is set up, you can log in to your hosting account and you can set up the things, which I will show you how to do that. And cover the point number 1, 2.1, setting up hosting account in GoDaddy, and point 2, check name servers in case of add name servers from your previous hosting provider in case you are migrating your website, existing website from other hosting provider to GoDaddy or vice versa. Okay, like that. Um, and check if you have purchased a free domain which has come with the hosting package. It's under the same GoDaddy account, and their WordPress package has been enabled. SSL layer, the security socket layer has been enabled, so your website will see HTTPS in your URL. Okay, and if you have purchased the email package, if it has been added to that, etc. So we'll check that. Fourth, I will discuss about when you are set up your hosting account, um, how will be the basic structure of your website. Okay, so I will walk you through one of the example of uh, wireframing websites or wireframing tools. Its name is Balsamiq. Okay, so it's a web designing tool, and I will walk you through the quick video there. I recommend this because I have been using it for years and it's a really good tool. I recommend that. But if you don't want to use any tool like that, you can just create a proper, PowerPoint presentation or just structure using the box in the, the insert blocks in the PowerPoint, and or simply you can just draw it on the paper. That's easy as is. Okay. Then I will show you from hosting account how you can go, connect to your dashboard where you actually start developing your WordPress website, starting from selecting the template, the pre-enabled templates, or whichever templates which suits to your website design you want to do. And if there is any other way, right, you can directly connect to the dashboard instead of going through the hosting account. So I will walk you through all those things. Okay. So the first part, set up hosting account in GoDaddy. Okay. So once you have received the emails, next slide. Okay. So you can log into your GoDaddy account. Okay. And you will see when you click on the burger menu on the right hand side, you will see your customer number, your name on top of that, your pin which you can view, and here about the products and settings and everything. So click on the My Products. Here you will see your business, the WordPress package you have purchased, the name you have given to that, and the domain you have which you have purchased or which you have got for free along with your WordPress package. Okay. And as I said, if you purchase the email and office email package or any other things which come with that, okay, that you can see once you click on My Products. My website name, as you know, is Hanso Imports PVT Limited, and um, my domain is hansoimports.com.au because I live in Australia, and my business is running in Australia. So that's why it's .com.au. But based on your country and your domain, it can be .com, .in, or any other countries. Okay, that like that. So as I said, once you are here, check the hosting thing first. Okay, so let me move myself here a bit. What you can see is first, you will see your website's homepage, and below the homepage, you will see the name or title of your website, which is on the top SEO title, page title, and you will see two options: manage hosting, edit website. Okay, so we'll discuss about the edit website later because I was telling you about how to, how to connect to your dashboard. So that's what I'm showing here. Uh, when you click on manage hosting, you will see your hosting details. And when you click on edit website, it will run like this, logging in securely. And then your dashboard will look like this. You log into your WordPress dashboard and you will see this option dashboard, and the plugins you have, or comment section, pages. So when we'll discuss in future about how to develop the website, I will walk you through one by one on the WordPress. And this is not the part of today's video. Okay. And so go back here again. And when you click on your domain, you see these things. You see your domain here. Okay. And uh, along with that, you have option of DNS records. So DNS is domain name server. uh, you need to have some records like this, is called C records, or you see this is also name server. NS stands for name server. A records, you have A records, you have NS records. So all these kind of records are actually updated by GoDaddy, or they can ask you to do that if you are technically very apt. You can everything starting from DNS servers and everything. But if you don't know, I guarantee you that GoDaddy will help you in creating these records, and these are very mandatory. These help you to connect you to your domain, to the network, to the hosting package. If you don't have this, your website will not run no matter what you develop in the dashboard. You won't be able to maybe connect it to your dashboard as well. So these records are mandatory. There is one more record which you don't see in the screenshot. It's called MX record. That MX record is required for emails. So if your website triggers the auto emails, or if you want to send email to your customer like through comments, or if you want to receive, you need to have that record. Otherwise, the email function SMTP server will not work. You need to have that. Okay. So these are the domain settings and DNS records which you need to set. That's a preparatory part. And once you are here, as I showed you, you can connect to the dashboard. There is one more way which I can show you now. So generally it looks like, website name, HTTPS. Remember I said HTTPS for the secure socket layer, SSL. Yeah. If you don't have, it will be just HTTP, your website, and then it is WP hyphen login. Okay. That is WP stands for WordPress, otherwise, and hyphen login. So you get this option, username or email address. So in my case, it's admin, and password, which I can't show you, obviously. So I put it in this way. You put login, and it's taking time. Hey, we are here. Okay, so you see here all the options. I will walk you through in next videos, upcoming videos, but I'm just showing you how the dashboard looks, WordPress dashboard. And here from here you can visit the store, visit the site. When you click on visit site, it takes you to the your website. Okay, so especially when you are developing the website, side by side you can check if the update is getting, uh, whatever you have updated on the backend is reflecting here. So uh, now we will revisit this when we discuss about the web design. So let's go back to the menu here and the agenda item. So we have discussed about setup hosting account in GoDaddy, which I showed you. Check name servers, add name servers in case of migration. So as I said, if you're migrating, you will go get those details which I showed you here. The NS records, A record, MX record from your previous hosting provider, which you can just copy paste with the help of GoDaddy, or you can do it by yourself. Sorry. Check purchase or free domain is under the same GoDaddy account, which also we discussed here and which I showed you. Yeah, here. Okay. Fourth point is about the email package. Also, I showed you if you have purchased email package, it will come here. Okay. The next point is design the website, how the structure you want. See, WordPress comes with multiple templates which you can select for free. There are some paid templates as well, but you need to have some idea in your head like how your website should look. So that's something you can design using such tool like Balsamiq, as I said, or other very simple method if you don't want any subscription. So go here. I show you like what I mean. What I'm trying to say is how your homepage will look. For example, you want a banner or you want a sliding banners, or you want the featured categories like I am selling fashion jewelry, bracelets, earrings. Selling home fragrance, wind chimes, like that. Home decor and fashion jewelry is the e-commerce business I'm running. Table art, some text. You need to go, as per the SEO standard, like when you're designing the home page or any other pages, how your product pages should look, what category pages, product pages. For example, this is the category page, this is the product page, how it should look, so each and every page design, you can create this design, how it should be looking using the tools like Balsamiq. Okay. So I quickly walk you through. So this is the Balsamiq's website. You can try it for free for 30 days, and I'm sure you will like it. But if you don't like it, you can just switch it to the any free tools. You can Google it. I can suggest using Balsamiq or Canva, or if you heard about Figma. There are multiple tools, but some are like at corporate level, some at the personal level. So for at personal level, this is really good. You get the options like adding the button, adding calendar if you want to add. You can add arrows, like that. You can position them, you can size them, you can add multiple layers here. See, trusted top team, Intuit, Adobe, Deloitte, eBay, Toyota, Procter and Gamble, these guys have been using this. Here you will see what it does, what it doesn't do. You can see here, she's trying to show, she had multiple ideas. Here she can actually make them into reality. I mean, at least first you need to design, if you want something, you should have that in your head, like what could be, how it should be looking like that. So yeah, there are some details. This is the video. We can see how it should be done. There are some tutorials as well on YouTube. Okay, just like search Balsamiq wireframes for desktop, and you can see multiple free tutorials here, how to develop the design like that. So that's what I suggest you guys can do for yourself when you want to design your website. So I showed you how to use the how to structure, how to create that website design, um, how to access the WordPress using either hosting account or through wp-admin, which I showed you that, like website name http colon hansoimports.com.au:wp-admin. Okay, and then you put your username and password. This username and password will be generated by your hosting provider. In my case it's GoDaddy, and you can directly log into your dashboard. You don't have to go through hosting our account all the times. Okay, and now I would like to revisit the dashboard and show you the basic about the template, and other things we will discuss in the next video. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard here. Click here, go to the dashboard. Okay, so here where you will see that is appearance and themes. All right. So in appearance and theme, WordPress will show you the predefined templates, themes. They call it themes, and you can see how it looks. You can click here on theme details. You will see some pictures, how how it's how it looks. So you will get some idea, if you want big banners, you want some categories here, you how many tabs you want, kind of the breadcrumbs you want. So whatever design, add card button, or uh, login, register, whatever you want. You want to share your contact detail, you want to have WhatsApp here, multiple options you will get. Okay, so that's something you can read through the themes and select for you. uh, it You can do search install themes, or if you want to add you know theme see the code of that theme, you can go to theme file editor here, and there are multiple files. If you are good at coding, or if you can do that, or you can hire someone, or you can take some technical help from GoDaddy or any hosting provider. They provide this. Sometimes they can provide it for free, sometimes they can provide it at some cost. Okay, so depends on the package you have purchased. So these are some of the major files, like functions.php, footer, um, you know you'll see some under WooCommerce. So every file has different reason to exist, and it has different function. So we can discuss that when required in future video, but right now I just wanted to show you, how to based on your website design, how you can select the theme, how what are the code files you have there. Okay, like that. And yeah, I will share this agenda items and in the description box, so you can go through it in details later. So for now, I think we have discussed enough, and I would like to say thank you guys for joining, and please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching me.